Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install VLC on your PC. Firstly, open Microsoft Store, then search for VLC, then click on the first icon, then click install. Let's wait for few seconds while it is downloading. Now then click yes. Now the VLC has been installed on our machine. Here you can see, click continue. Here our VLC has been installed on our PC. Thank you. If you like this video, if you found this video useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.